In this question, we have dy dx is equal to, or d2y dx2 minus 2 over y to the power 5. So you're very rarely going to have a clue where these are going. Well, if you follow your same procedure, let v equal the first derivative, dy dx. So dv dx is equal to the second derivative, d2y dx2. And dv dx is also equal to dy dx times, there's our dv dx, dv dy, and we have this dy dx in terms of v, so v dv dy becomes the second derivative, which in the question is given as minus 2 over y to the power 5. So I'll probably just leave v and dv together and leave everything else on the right. So v dv is equal to minus 2y to the power minus 5. I might bring it up to integrate it, dy. And we put our integrals in. We're told that dy dx, which is our v, is equal to 1. And y is equal to 1, so y is equal to 1. So we integrate the left hand side, we're going to get y squared over 2 between v and 1, and if we integrate the right hand side, just a bit of rough work, minus twice y increase the power, divide by the new power, so you can see the minus signs, minus by minus a plus, 2 over 4 is 1 over 2, so we're going to get 1 over 2y to the power 4, 1 over 2y to the power 4. Bring the 4 down, becomes positive between y and 1. So v squared over 2, putting v in, minus 1 over 2 equals 1 over 2y to the power 4 minus 1 over 2 times 1, 2. So multiplying by 2 and cancelling our y squared, we're going to get v squared is equal to 1 over y to the power 4. So again, the square root of both sides, v is equal to 1 over y squared. And the plus and minus version of this, what are we told about this? We're told v is 1 and y is 1, so we can reject the negative. And we can say that v is equal to 1 over y squared. And from the very beginning, v is dy dx. So dy dx is equal to 1 over y squared. So y squared dy is equal to 1 dx, if you want to leave the 1 in. If we put our integrals in, we talk about y and x. X is a third when y is 1. X is a third when y is 1. So we're going to get y cubed over 3. You can see why the third is in this question. We're going to get a third on the left hand side between y and 1 equals x between x and a third. So we're going to get y cubed over 3 minus 1 over 3 equals x minus 1 over 3. So we're going to get y cubed is equal to 3x. So y will be equal to the cube root of 3x. The cube root of 3x.